So my name is Karina Tangari, and I'm a life insurance agent here at Northstar. What made me want to work for Northstar, a little backstory, I was an orthodontic assistant for about 7.5 years. And I grew up in that office from 18 up to 25. I grew up in there and I knew I wanted to be in the dental industry for years. And I started in the front office, I'd clean tools in the afternoon, and I slowly worked my way up in the company to where I ran the clinic in the back. And I got there in about 3.5 years being at that company. And it was awesome, it was fun, but I learned quickly in my 5th year at the company, I couldn't grow much further than where I hit. I beat all the records, I was running the clinic, there was nowhere else for me to achieve another goal. I had already hit it, which was fun for a time. I felt really confident, I knew my job like the back of my hands, and I was helping people, which is what I love to do, and I get to talk with people every day. But there was nowhere else to go from there. So I hit a ceiling that I couldn't push through. And that's when Northstar became appealing to me, because I saw the opportunity could go as far as I wanted it to. And I didn't think that was something I could achieve without a college degree, which Northstar offered me. What made me choose sales was the elements that Northstar offered for their sales agents. They have such a support system here to help you with your back office. You know, if anything were to slip through the cracks, they're on it, they're taking care of you. If you're having a hard day, you've got your business advisor that's gonna perk you up and put you in a good mood and give you that right mindset. You have so many elements here to succeed. All you have to do is be coachable and dependable. And that is something that is true. If you show up and you're willing to learn and do your best each day and grow from your mistakes, sky's is the limit. And that's what's so exciting about being a sales agent at Northstar. How Northstar has helped me grow in my career, it's exposed all my weaknesses in the best way possible. So I would have considered myself a very confident person, someone that knows how to talk to any type of person. But I'm so used to in contact. So when I switched from being in person over the phones this past year, I realized I didn't have my confidence right off the bat like I would when I'm talking to someone face to face. So I've had to adjust how I approach connecting with somebody in a way I've never had to think before. But what's been great about that is I'm learning how to connect with so many people in another way. There's always a new day. When you make a mistake, you can always make it a better day. It can always turn around, and that's what I love about working here. So the culture at Northstar is very inviting, and everyone wants you to succeed here. And that was something that was really appealing to me. You know, you think in a commission-based job, you know, everyone's in competition with one another, but no, every agent that I've met, everyone I've talked to about different struggles I've had, they're so willing to help me, be right behind me. They want me to succeed. They understand my struggle as a newer agent and help me get through those days, you know, where I'm down on myself or I need another push. Someone's always there to bring your spirits back up, and that's an amazing thing about Northstar. The other thing is they like to have fun here. You know, they make it fun for us in our day-to-day activities with being on the phones. They always try to put a smile on our faces. So do I feel more comfortable talking on the phone over face-to-face? I will say I'm getting there. It's getting to the point where it's equal. I was definitely a person, I never thought the phones would be something that would be challenging to talk, because I love talking to people. And coming to Northstar at first, I realized I didn't have a lot of confidence over the phone, which was great because it exposed a weakness and something I've been growing on. And over the 10 months of me being here, I can definitely say I'm a lot more confident than I was when I started. And it's only progressing, you know, and that's why I go back to each day's an opportunity to improve, excel, and better yourself. And that's the best part about working here. Each day you can see progress in that way. So what I love about Northstar's training is they always give us the opportunity to brush up on our skills. So they always go over what we've gone over because, as we all know, it's so easy to forget things, right? So we have to be reminded about the day-to-day things, which they do awesome here. So Mondays we have an awesome pump up. They get us in the right mindset for the week. What goals do we want to obtain? In the middle of the week, they do a training in-house, which is awesome that we get to go over different parts of the script, which is great because you're always advancing in your skills. You're never staying stagnant, and that's something that they're really consistent about. Everybody can grow, everybody can learn something new every day, and it's easy for us to forget things. That's why we keep going over it. So the training, they're really hands-on, and they're willing to help you with whatever you need. Any question, there's no wrong question to ask. They're always willing to give you an answer. So the events at Northstar, they definitely set themselves apart from a lot of companies. I got to experience their kickoff party this past year, and the one thing I noticed about North Star is how they love to celebrate their achievements there. So they really, which I love that you get to be celebrated based on the work you put in. And they do a great job of that. So the kickoff was amazing to really display everyone's achievements throughout the year. It was really neat to see all the camaraderie between the agents, marketers, conservation. Everyone's just for each other, which is something you really see at these gatherings. So the kickoff was really neat to experience the magic that you guys have at this company. But the picnic this past year was awesome as well, because we got to celebrate in a time that was, you know, a little weird for a lot of people. We weren't all together for the first portion of this year, but they had fire dancers. North Star had fire dancers at the company picnic. Amazing Greek food. I mean, it was just a good time to celebrate and have fun as a family again. Another benefit of the platform here at North Star is that there's always new competitions each month to keep you motivated, keep you excited, so there's always something new to look forward to keep your head in the game. But if you're willing to show up every day, you know, give 100%, be coachable, admit when you're wrong and learn from those mistakes, be dependable, show up every day, the sky's is the limit here. You really, there's no reason not to have a bright future, which is the exciting part about being a part of this company.